एक फुटबॉलर तयार करपाक ताज्या भितर इन्वेस्ट करचें पडटा आनी तें एका सर्टन एज ग्रुपान केल्यार ताजो फायदो खूब जाता. तो आज आमी हांगा सेजा फुटबॉल अकॅडमीच्या शिरसय ग्रावंडार आसा. हांगा सेजा फुटबॉल अकॅडमीन बेबी लीग आज लॉन्च केल्ले आसा. तातूंत 10 वर्सां सकयले भुरगे आनी अपर एज लिमीट 12 आशिल्ले अशे टॅलंटेड जे भुरगे हांगा आयिल्ले आसात ते म्हळ्यार सेजाचे सॉकर स्कूल्स जे 4 वाठारांनी आसात. थिवी, नुवे, माजोर्डा आनी सांगे थंयचे भुरगे हांगा आयिल्ले आसा आनी तांच्यो टिमी करून वेदांता सेजा फुटबॉल अकॅडमीन आज बेबी लीग लॉन्च केल्लें आसा आनी तातूंतल्यान ते AIFFच्या बेबी लिगांत टिमी फुडें क्वॉलिफाय जावपाच्यो आसा. टू नो मोर ऑन दीस इनिशिएटीव वी हॅव विथ अस चीफ मेंटर एंड एडवायझर ऑफ सेजा फुटबॉल अकॅडमी and Arjuna Awadi, our very own son of the soil, Brahmanand Shankwalkar. Sir, this baby league step from Sesa Academy, a very significant day, isn't it?
Very significant day for us. सांगपाक म्हणल्यार ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशनाचो इनिशिएटीव आसा टू स्प्रेड सगळे देशभर व्हरता हो आनी तातूंत गोंयान सेजान एक इनिशिएटीव घेतलो आसा. इट्स अ वंडरफूल थिंग. आनी आमचे ऑलरेडी स्कूल्स आशिल्ले नुवे, सांगे, माजोर्डा, थिवी, लोकल स्कूल्स ऑल्सो इनवॉल्व. तेन्ना आमी इतली सिस्टमॅटीक आतां जाग्यार मातशें पडना तें पूण सांगपाक म्हणल्यार ते धाकले भुरगे आसा न्ही तांचो टॅलंट आमकां आयजूच कळटलो. हें दिसता म्हाका फ्युचर ऑफ टुमॉरो फॉर द इंडियन फुटबॉल. इट्स अ व्हेरी गूड इनिशिएटीव. आनी हो तो लीग केलो पळय आमी न्ही एका टिमीच्यो 4 टिमी 5 टिमी अश्यो टिमी आसा भुरग्यांच्यो अंडर 8, अंडर 10. आनी हो लीग आमकां इतलो बऱ्याक पडला. आतांच पळोवंक पळयल्यार कळटा की भुरग्यांक टॅलंट आमकां आतां कळटा भुरग्यांचो कसो आहा पळय तो. इट्स रियली वर्थ सीइंग दीस किड्स. पूण अंडर द कोचिंग प्रोग्राम ऑफ मिस्टर एडवर्ड बटले हू इज अवर चीफ टेक्निकल डायरेक्टर and we are going with one system under him for the schools, for the Sesa Football Academy Sakai and for the senior academy at Sirsaim where we are standing today.
Right.
This is a very good program.
आता तुम्ही कशे AIFFच्या बेबी लिगा कडेन कशे लिंक करतले, कशे क्वॉलिफिकेशन आसतले?
ना हांगासर टॉप टीम्स पळय आसा न्ही. I think they will be qualifying and the FC Goa is also I think into the line, but आमकां एक चान्स आतां हांगा बऱ्याक पडटा कित्याक आमचे चॅम्पियन्स हांगा 2-3 फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड टीम पासून काडली जाल्यार हांगा भुरग्यांक कॉस्टान खेळयतले जाल्यार तांचे भुरगे हांगा हाडल्यान खेळयले आमी थंय गेले खेळयले. हो म्हणटा मुवमेंट सिस्टम आसा न्ही ही केन्नाच नाशिल्ली. केन्नाच आशिल्ली
भुरग्यांक नाशिल्ली
अशी सिस्टमॅटीक नाशिल्ली. आमी खेळटाले जाय घालून बिस्कोट घालून खेळप, कलसां घालून खेळप, बांदूनच सिस्टमच नाशिल्ली. आनी आतां पळयल्यार जाल्यार ती टॉप सिस्टम आसा पळय ती हांगा पेरंट्स इतले इंट्रस्टेड आहा तांचो सपोर्ट नाल्यार जावंक शकना. आतां आमकां कळटा भुरगे आवय बापायक कितलो इंट्रस्ट आसा पळय तो. इतलो पयशेल्यान पासून भुरगे हांगा आयिल्ले आसा. हे भुरगे सगळे सेंटरांनी वचपाक आमी ट्राय करतले फुडले रावंड्स खेळोवपाक. आनी म्हाका दिसता तांकां सिस्टम ते आतांच भुरग्यांक पर्यंत कळून येत न्ही. आय थिंक दे कॅन गो हेड.
रायट. सो आतां जेन्ना सेजाची साखळे जे ट्रेनिंग अकॅडमी आसा, फुटबॉल अकॅडमी आसा तातूंत 15 वर्सांच्या वयल्या भुरग्यांक तुमी रेजिडेन्शियल ट्रेनिंग दिता. सो एक नॉर्मल ट्रान्झिशन पळयत जाल्यार हातूंतल्यानूच तुमकां मुखार थंय ट्रेनिंगाक व्हरपा खातीर बरे भुरगे हातूंतल्यानूच मेळूंक शकता.
आतां हे लास्ट प्रोग्राम पळय जाल्लो हो जावचे पयलीं 12 to 14 2 वर्सां आमी ट्रेनिंग केलें. तातूंतले भुरगे थंय 6 भुरगे सिलेक्ट जाल्ले. फॉर सम रिजन 2 भुरगे बॅकआउट जाले आनी 4 भुरगे आसा. वेरी फर्स्ट इयर हे सिलेक्शन ऑल गोवा सिलेक्शन करून ते. सो ना म्हाका दिसता इन फ्युचर अशें दिसता की हांकां पळोवन आतां सेजाक हातूंतल्यानूच भुरगे मेळून घेतले. पण वी शूड नॉट डिनाय गोंयचो खंयचो खंयचो जो भुरगो सिलेक्शनाक आयलो बरो जाल्यार तो हील बी एक्सेप्टेड इन द अकॅडमी. दॅट्स इट.
थँक यू फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.
Last game you generally see
Crowding.
crowding.
Melly. There's no Melly. Passion.
Neither. Ultimately, the credit completely goes to the coaches, and they've been already working on it for like 1 year.
Very good. They keep the ball, they move forward, there are beautiful touches, and the technical impression is really good. And it doesn't come unless you have a very sound plan on paper the coaches need to follow. And the guy who makes these sound plans for the kids and lays out the curriculum is here with us now, and he is none other than the technical director of Vedanta Sesa Football Academy, Eduardo Batile. Very impressive, coach. The kids are really doing very well in this baby league.
Yes, very happy to see them playing in this way, trying to keep the possession of the ball, trying to pass one each other, and trying to play the methodology that we already have in the academy. So I think this is the first step in the football development to create a good base that can produce players for us and for India in the future.
How challenging is it to lay down a curriculum for the kids to follow here in Goa? You've been here with the academy now for over a year, and how has it been?
Has been very good. The key point is to have a game model and a philosophy, and to have that you need time. This is the only thing that you need. So when I came here, now has been 18 months that I've been here working in Sesa. And my first plan was to project which was the philosophy of the academy and which will be the game model of the academy. So we planned that first for the teams that we already have here, under 16 and under 18. And the second step was to create the basis of the curriculum for the Vedanta football schools. And as you can see today, everyone is very excited and happy because we see this way, way to play, this idea of football is reflected in these young boys.
And the center coaches, they also are implementing these ideas across the soccer Vedanta football schools all over Goa that you have, and they have got the best boys in here to play. So how has the team spirit within the center coaches under you been?
It's very, very good. I'm visiting the Vedanta football school centers sometimes, and the thing is I see the way how our Vedanta football coaches work is the same way as the academy coaches are doing. The same, there is a constant communication between both coaches, so I'm very happy with that because we create one idea and everyone is following and is trusting the idea.
What's the feedback from the parents? Do they talk to you? Is there any communication between the parents and the coaches?
I see them. If you see, they are enjoying, they are laughing, they are following the match. So the best way to see if they are happy or not is just watching these events that we have, these festivals or the Baby League, and see how they are enjoying and celebrating the goals.
So overall, this pattern of football of keeping the ball and building the attack from the defense. So this is coming down very well to Goan football with a lot of Spanish influence in Goa, and you doing it through the Vedanta Football Academy as well. So overall, football seems to go Spanish way in Goa.
I think, okay.
It's good to see, though.
Yes, it's very good to see that what we did 25 years ago in Barcelona was to build a game model, a philosophy, and we were working on that during the years, over the years. After 20 years, something happened in Barcelona. Was when Xavi, Iniesta, Busquets, Piqué, all these players came there. So the people who were there in Barcelona, Sergio Lovera, Edu Bedia, I was there. We have this philosophy as our way to understand football. It was working in Spain, it was working in Germany in the last World Cup, so what we are trying to do is to implement the basis of that philosophy, of that style, here in Goa.